Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Badger number 21539B Siphon Tube Assembly. Siphon tubes are certainly very common and typical maintenance replacement products. We sell them often, and it's because it's part of the list of those items that will be necessary to replace as the age of the extinguisher and the usage of the extinguisher continues on down the line, so to speak. And this video is to serve primarily as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. And let's take some dimensions. Overall length, 16 inches of what it appears to be the absolute overall length. Okay. Length of the brass threaded coupling at the top, about 1.5 inches. The white plastic screen tip, about 1 3/8 inches. Diameter of the tube itself appears to be about 9/16. Wet chemical applications WC-10 and WC-100. There is a link below this video to the parts list that will show you the parts available for the wet chemical units that this is used in. This is part number 13, obviously, and part 13, being the siphon tube, is going to be listed there in two different types because the extinguisher model that you will use this on is dependent on the part number that you order is dependent on the model of the extinguisher. This is the 21539B, so it's for the WC-100, WC-10 as well. All the other replacement parts are there. Most common replacement parts, valve stems are very common. Part 10, part 12, the spring that's there is also very common. The screen disc 13B, we don't sell those often, but this client did buy that. I could certainly understand buying a replacement screen disc if you're going to be replacing the siphon tube. Other products that are common, all pretty common, but those valve stems are really common. The number 9, part number 9 that's there, that O-ring is the collar O-ring. Those are not uncommon either. So lots of replacement parts that are there available for you to purchase. You can take that part number, populate it back into the site, and you're off to the races, so to speak. There is also a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Badger products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Let me give you a couple of additional dimensions as well, since I'm here, so to speak. Outside diameter of these threads, and I don't know the thread type, but my caliper tells me the outside diameter is 0.85. 0.861. Let's revise that. 0.861 is the outside diameter of these threads. Okay. Again, link below this video to the manufacturer's page. If you have any questions on the Badger 21539B siphon tube assembly or any other Badger product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.